Hello everyone, welcome back to another epic unboxing from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
You've aced it.
We've aced it. We've got a bit of a special one today. We've been looking forward to this one for a while, which is why the reason you've got Matt and I doing it today instead of Michael and Joe, because we just couldn't wait to get our hands onto this stuff. It came through the store, we were all very excited.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna be getting Matt to tear into this one. We should be getting some foreign silver in.
That's it, and it's been a while, but we're excited to welcome this back into the fold. And yeah, you've got the B team here, Matt and Ruben, the next best thing. We'll see how it goes, but
We'll see.
yeah, let's tear into this one first and see what we've got.
We've kind of separated them a little bit based on purely just box shape at the moment. We can't actually remember what we ordered on these ones because it's been quite a while since we've had them through and put in the order. So
that's it. And the heads up from Michael was very a little ominous. Just got a phone call this morning saying there is a delivery. I would like you and Ruben to unbox it.
Nice and mysterious, just to keep us guessing. And I think I'm mostly going to be basing what we see based on the colour of the boxes that we find in here.
Alrighty. Ooh!
You've seen the colour of the box before the audience here. You're keeping it in suspense, Matt.
A welcome change. Let me leverage this box out of here.
Hey!
There you have it.
Krugerrands.
The iconic.
With a different colour band there on the side of the little tag there that I'm used to seeing.
They've changed it, have they?
The 2021s. I think just the colour there is normally a green one, I think, from memory.
Oh, okay. All right, well, let's have a look.
Year to year to see what the difference is. All right.
Oh,
there it is.
There's something special.
Very satisfying.
About a fresh monster box. No undone tubes, but let's have a look anyway. Oh, a little bit of trivia, Ruben. Which year was the first silver Krugerrand?
Oh, the silver Krugerrands. Now, I think this might be a trick one because we think Krugerrands have been around for a little while, but I think the silver was a more recent addition.
It was indeed. It was to celebrate an anniversary, if that's of any assistance.
Oh, you put me on the spot here. What year was it?
It was 2017.
Fantastic.
So the first gold Krugerrand was in 1967, and 2017 was the first silver one. And
Fantastic.
We've actually got a little bit of B-roll footage, which you'll now be exposed to.
Get some nice close-ups of there while we're holding it out here.
That's it.
And Paul Kruger over there.
The one and only.
Fantastic.
Alrighty.
So that's one box down.
One down.
A few to go. That's it. We think we've grouped them, so we will only tap into one of each box type here.
That is it. There we go.
They've always got the fancy seal on the top there. I love that about the Philharmonics.
What's the story there? Is this a, if it breaks, it's going to explode ink on my shirt or something? Or is that...
I think it's just a little bit of extra verification of, hey, hasn't been opened, hasn't been dealt with.
No tampering?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh, you know what? I wonder if they feed it in and then maybe they twist it and it seals it up. I don't know. Someone who knows a lot more about packaging can
put it in the comments.
Give us an update on that.
And once again,
beautiful. It's a little gold hologram on there.
I've recently seen with the platinum ones that they changed that color on the top based on what metal's inside. So
really, so they made the decision to go for gold to indicate silver.
Maybe not the
All right, here we go. That is the iconic Philharmonic there. And then passing over to the other side. I was shocked to learn when I started working here that this is not a famous bridge, or no, not a bridge.
We've had a few guesses as to what the design on the Philharmonic is. And, we've had customers through the store, and there always seems to be a different guess. We've had a building or the.
Yeah, I said I see that shape, and I just thought, it's Brandenburg Gate.
Yeah.
Like a complete goose. Turns out it is an organ.
It is. Fitting with that music theme on the other side as well, with the orchestra.
Which makes sense.
It does, but yeah, no, we've had some interesting guesses for sure. All right.
On to the next one.
I think I've got a guess as to what this last one is.
Well, I've got 2 guesses, so I'm not gonna make them until we can be sure. Alrighty. Always cut away from the body is what I read in comments. So
Yeah, it's
hopefully,
sending it towards me though. So.
Oh yeah. Oh
It's
yeah.
the yellow.
We are back in
I
business.
know what the yellow means.
This.
It has been a while since we've had these through the shop. We've had a few random ones kicking around, but it's nice to have some fresh 2021s.
And a fun fact for anyone wondering, I don't know why they would, but this was actually my first ever bullion coin.
I'm sure there's people out there wondering.
Yeah, well, if you are, it was when I was back in my days in the Philatelic Bureau working for Australia Post. I decided to take the plunge into the world of bullion about 10 years ago, and got a tube of maples, which I still
what
own.
was it about the maples?
It's just the design, as you go in,
look.
and we'll see a nice close up of it. It's just it's not until you really hold it in your hand or you get a good look at it. The detail on the maple is just beautiful.
They do a stunning job on the maple. I really like them as well. Actually, that's why I was asking.
And a lot of people get upset about the potential for milk spotting, which I know has been an issue in the past.
It has plagued the previous year's ones. That's for sure.
It has, but don't let that get you down. My understanding is they have addressed that issue. It's something that the Mint were made aware of, and that they will, or that they have fixed. So time will tell.
Yeah, time will definitely tell. That's the issue with the milk spotting. It's kind of hard. It's fine off the go, but you've got to wait a couple of years to find out. So, they have said they've fixed that. So hopefully that's the end of the milk spotting problem. But we'll see.
That's it.
All right.
At any rate, I think that is the full spread. So if you want, I can tear into some others, or you can take our word for it.
I think we're good from there. I think there was just the 3 types. But if you see an additional one listed on the website at the same time as this video goes up, probably means there was something else hiding in one of these other ones. But yeah, no, if there's not, that's it from me.
And me as well. Thanks for watching.
No worries. Thanks, guys. See ya.